Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to be showing you how to create Chime bank accounts. So of course, in order to create a Chime bank account you need a certain set of paperwork, documentation, your original IDs and everything ready in line to get started. So you can see once you head over to their platform, it looks something like this. On their landing page you got your email section to enter your emails. Of course you are going to be needing to create a completely new account. So you can click on get started, and over here it is going to be asking you a few set of basic questions. So just go with this and put in here your name, stuff. So yeah, you can see you need to put in your email address, click on next, and you can see you have your basic info, then you have your date of birth. So you should be 18 plus in order to create your account. So you can see you can put in here any date that you are having, and your mobile number. So basically the steps are going to be, let me just show you the roadmap. You have your basic info, you have your verification, and then you will be in. Then you need to just further clarify your own ID and stuff, and your account will be created online without any hassle. So this is really easy and simple. So yeah, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you like the video, and see you around in the next video.